So I filmed a video with the Pleatco Advanced ULTRA 7 months ago. When I installed it here, the filter pressure at this pool was about 30 psi. And interesting enough, with the Pleatco ULTRA Advanced in there, it stayed about 10 psi for the whole time it was in there for 7 months. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the filter and clean off the cartridge. You can see how well it cleans up after 7 months. Let me get the cartridge out and I'll show what it looks like after 7 months. You can see there's a lot of dirt on this cartridge. Let me hose it off and see how it comes out. You can see that the Pleatco Advanced ULTRA is very easy to clean. You can see the dirt coming off very easily here. Again, it's been about 7 months since I cleaned this filter. I really like the fact that there are no bands, so it makes it very easy to clean in between the pleats also. So this is a very user-friendly filter cartridge. You can see that the Pleatco Advanced ULTRA cleans up really well. You can actually see the areas where it's been reinforced, where there's no bands. You can see these lines here that still have some dirt kind of stained on them. So it's pretty interesting. And I would say this is the best single cartridge filter you can get on the market today. The pressure didn't rise in this filter for 7 months. You can see it cleans up really well after 7 months of use. Let me get it back in. And I would highly recommend the Pleatco Advanced ULTRA filter cartridge. When it comes time to replace your cartridge filter, definitely look for the Pleatco Advanced ULTRA cartridge filter at your local authorized retailer. InyoPools.com has been helping pool owners find the right pool parts since 2001. With over 50,000 pool parts in stock, order online today and have the parts delivered right to your door.